100 minus 1 times 100 minus 1. Easy. 100 minus 1 gives us 99. And here again we have 100 minus 1, which equals 99, and 99 times 99 equals 9801. Yes! But no! Oh shit, it's wrong. Okay, do you know why this answer is not correct? Because as we didn't follow the rule of mathematics. As we know, for such type of mathematical expression, we have to follow the math rules. Because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stand for multiplication, D stand for division, here A stand for addition, and lastly S stand for subtraction. And we have to start from left to right order. Alright, in this expression, we have one multiplication and two subtractions. Remember that according to the PEMDAS, first we have to solve multiplication, okay? Alright, 1 times 100, which equals 100, and the remainings are 100 and this minus 1. So now our equation will be such as 100 minus 1. Now, see here in this expression, we have two subtraction, and according to the PEMDAS, we should start from left. Okay, here 100 minus 100 equals 0, and write this minus 1. We know 0 minus 1 equals negative 1, and this is our final and correct answer to this problem. So the correct answer is negative 1. Thanks for watching, and friends, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like and share. Hey, you may also visit my channel for more such informative videos.